you guys, today I'm going to show you how a qEEG 19 channel brain scan takes place. I'm holding this because this plays a really big part in having the scalp connection to the system, which is called the midcirc. It looks like this. So Christina, we have with us today, she's my brain scan test person. So first what we do is that we wear this cap. This is called a 19 channel qEEG cap. You can see it looks just like a cap, but it has many channels that needs to be filled with gel. I'm going to inject it. This qEEG gel is cold, it's non-invasive system, meaning she's not gonna be hurt by this, even when it has a needle. Yeah, but we do need the scalp connection, so you will feel the cold gel a little bit. And that's just it basically. It works really fast. So let's try it on. Yeah, it does. It's a lot of hair. My favorite test persons are bald men because it's easier. But I scan loads of dizzy people and I'm telling you, a lot of gel, extra gel. Okay. So the qEEG cap comes in different sizes. This is a smaller size actually. But since we have different heads and sizes, I have different sizes as well. So everybody gets a good connection. Yeah, this one fits really well. So this one is usually used for women. It's a medium size. There's also small, which you use for kids. So the first thing is making sure that, the cap is fit. It cannot be loose because then the connection will be bad. So now I'm injecting. And then we just get started, basically. Water-based gel, meaning if it gets on your clothes, it can get off. Also from your hair. I remember I tested one and she was like, oh, my hair looks so good with this gel. After she washed it, she was like, oh, it's having like a gel. But it's not for hair, okay? Usually like to dress style yourself with. But I would suggest not to wear your best outfit when you're coming from brain scans in general. Like, don't do that.
It's so weird how it's cold.
Yeah, can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a new qEEG cap. In the old caps, you had to wear ear clips because you needed the.
That's what. Yeah.
But this one, exactly.
Yeah.
And this one has it behind the ear instead.
Ah.
Yeah. So this 19 channel brain scan will show you a lot of things. So what are you hoping to see?
I'm hoping to see. I want to see if hypnosis and meditation works on me.
Oh yeah. Well,
I think it does.
yes, because you're a very meditative person. That's interesting.
And if my alpha beta, like, which one's the strongest? Which one's
Good one. So the brain scan will show you, like you just said, I would like to see hypnosis works on me, meditative, because on some people it does not work. So that's why I always say, like, no solution is for everyone. The scan will show you like how your brain is working with you or what is imbalanced, and then we will come with recommendation on how to optimize it. And on some people hypnosis is recommended, and on some it doesn't work because they don't have enough specific brain waves like alpha or gamma, so they can't really be hypnotized. But some people can, because the brain is plastic, so the more you rewire it, the more it trains itself, and it can. So I myself don't have much alpha in the back, but I do hypnosis and I can be hypnotized. And I meditate a lot, I pray a lot, so so this is a learned behavior, meaning it didn't come automatically from my brain. So once you repeat a behavior, it becomes a brain pattern. Yes, you train it, exactly. But we come with different recommendations, like neurofeedback. I don't know if you've heard of it, Christina. Yeah. So that's brain training. Then you wear actually a cap similar to this, but it's not with gel because you can't really inject yourself.
Okay.
It's so it's without the gel, without all the messiness. And
is it still 19 channel?
No, it's not that rough like this. Yeah, and we also have the Calibri cap, which is actually a cap you wear in the front and the back. Really depends on which brain areas we are trying to optimize. Yes. So it's called brain training because we from the system, you look at an app, okay, and then the light goes up and down depending.
On what parts of my
brain are being like working right now. Yes. So for instance, with me, I'm going to start doing it to myself, and I will document it. I need sleep alpha because I don't have a lot of it. So I have my routines in place, right? I don't have trouble falling to sleep. My problem is the deep sleep. Yes. And that's really good for recovery and everything. And I've always been a light sleeper. So I'm going to do 20 minutes of neurofeedback before going to bed. Yeah. But once I start, I will document it for you guys.
What shows up on the phone?
So we will be able to see, okay, let's say this is the prefrontal cortex. These are the frontal lobes, right there. So let's say you don't have enough beta, which you need to, work, focus. Let's say you're lacking it, then you will feel sluggish, you will have brain fog, you'll not really be motivated to take action on tasks. Your cognitive functions will be a bit slower. It's kind of like you're driving, but you're not really changing the gear in the right position. So what we will do is that try to put more beta in you. So we will customize the neurofeedback so you're seeing things. So what
to activate?
Yes, activates the beta in your brain. Yeah, it's quite cool what technology can do today.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I just have to go this side. I told you this takes the longest. So now you can see this is the scale, and we do want to be around this scale of colors to have a good connection. This is always supposed to be black, but as you can see, yellow is really good. I need to put something more behind her ears on the left side to have a better signal. But so far, it looks really, really good. Yeah, this is how it looks, and you can see she's connected. Also the mixer. Okay, so now we will test it. Actually, I need this again because I wanted to focus on it once we scan. So we're going to do 5 minutes, eyes open. Usually, I make you guys to stare at this just to focus on something. Otherwise, you're like all over the place, and we don't want that. And then 5 minutes, eyes closed. So the scan in itself is only 10 minutes. So we're running a test now. I'm showing you. So if you don't move your hands. Because you can see that here you can see a little bit of noise. That's very normal in the beginning, but there's really, really good signal. So I'm going to hit record now, which is right here, and I'm doing it now. So then we're not talking for 5 minutes because I don't want to disturb her. Save the data. Okay, so now after you're done, I'll save the file. So we do with the 5 eyes open. We always put the current date in because we know exactly what time we did it and everything, and that also matters. It's 25/10/25. And then eyes open, and then I need your age.
23.
Yes. So this is how we do it. You can see really good signal.
Yeah.
So now we do a test run the same way as we did before, but now you have to be in a meditative state. If you can try to shut out all of this. So our time is up, Christina. You can open your eyes. So here you can see you had those peaks before up here in the front, but you don't really have that. See, it looks much more similar now. So you can definitely be hypnotized or meditate. Yes, you're much calmer. But again, it's very individual. Yeah. So Christina, and this was eyes closed. That's it basically. We're done.
Wow.
How was it?
Very good. Very easy.
It was easy, so it wasn't difficult to have the eyes open for 5 minutes and eyes closed.
No,
okay. And how is the cap? Like, how does it feel? Is it uncomfortable? No.
It feels fresh.
Yes, because it's cold in the gel, but it's not cold like you get a brain freeze.
No.
But yeah,
it's not too tight or anything.
Yeah, because we can
also
also adjust it.
claustrophobic.
No, we can adjust it and have different sizes, okay?
Yeah.
Because we all have different sizes of head, and it's very important that it actually fits, because otherwise connection can be a bit loose. We might have a channel that is not working with us, then I don't get the full picture basically. So yeah, so now you'll see, I'll just take it off. Yeah, she has a lot of gel in her hair. As you can see, there's gel here, there's gel here. So usually what we do is that I give her some towels, you clean yourself, and I would recommend a wash. A wash, that's up to you. But yeah, so yeah, this is how it works, you guys. If there's any questions, you want to know more, comment or message me, Brain, and I'll send you more info. I have a PDF as well that explains about this, how it works, what it does, what are the costs of it. And currently I'm doing scans in London, Copenhagen and Malmö, but I might expand, you never know. So stay tuned for updates. All right, bye.